What is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune. Today we're checking out what dust and dirt do to the air filters on your overlanding rig. Oh! If you are like me and you're taking your truck off and exploring out in these dirt roads and mountain roads back there, they get super dusty. I've put about 20,000 miles on my Colorado here, driving on the highway in the city and on dirt roads is all pretty good mix. I live out in a pretty dusty area by a bunch of farmland, so it gets super dusty sometimes, and I've never replaced either the engine intake filter or the cabin air filter. And it was funny because just the other day I took my wife's car to the tire shop to get an alignment and rotation, and of course they were kind of trying to get me to get some of their other services and asked if I want to replace that cabin air filter. I said no thanks. So they took them out anyways and they showed them to me, and they were super dirty, and I was kind of like, ew, I gotta do those. So I went home and ordered them myself for about a third the price, and it got me thinking I should probably change these ones out because I exposed this thing to way more dirt and dust than her car. I haven't even looked at them yet. We're gonna open this up and see how everything looks. You can see that's pretty dusty in there. Well, here's the original filter that was in there when I bought the truck, and here is the fresh one we're going to throw in from Max Thrust. Yeah, I've got a lot of dirt in there. Got a nice little dragonfly wing on there. Otherwise, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. This one is much cleaner. So I'm going to throw this in and bolt her back up. For the engine air filter, we're going with this one. This is a filter from Max Thrust. Got this one off of Amazon. There'll be a link down in the description if you want to check it out and get one for yourself. All right, next we're going to check out the cabin air filter, which is actually located behind and above the glove box. So this old cabin filter that was in there, it's pretty gray already, but you can see it's got a lot of dirt in it, and it actually has like a black line that kind of runs across those fins. So here's the new filter we're using, and this one actually has a gray color too, but it's obviously brand new and it's much lighter on this side. So anyways, we're gonna get this thing replaced and we're gonna breathe easy. For the cabin air filter, we're using this one from Spearhead. This is the Breathe Easy cabin air filter. It says this one's good for up to 15,000 miles. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, also got that one down there in the description. Time to go through your glove box and get everything organized and get all the junk out. We actually did a video on this thing, this glove box organizer, a while back. I'll put a link up here for you guys to check it out if it's something you're interested in. With this thing, which is a cool little tray that goes on top of your glove box. So a couple things to just get you a little bit more organized on the inside of your truck. So here's a look again at those filters we replaced. This is the cabin air filter, and yeah, this thing is definitely got some grime on it. This one, the engine air filter, holy smokes, jeez Louise, this thing is just thrashed, and you can see my engine bay over here is covered in dirt and dust too. So if your engine looks like this, like mine, it's probably time to replace these. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to kind of check those out and see what they were going to look like. Definitely dirtier than I thought they were going to be. So like I said, if your engine is that filthy inside under the hood just like mine was, or maybe you know you've got the interior of your truck's looking pretty nasty too, or you're getting a smell, whatever on the inside, it's probably time to change these things. They're not too expensive, and I don't think you need to change them out too often. Kind of depends on how much dirt driving you're doing. Definitely an easy thing to do to keep up with the air maintenance. I mean, the cabin air filter is one thing, but really that engine air filter, that one's a big deal. So I would definitely stay on top of keeping that one nice and clean. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.